I'm going to show you a couple of really noxious weeds, a few noxious weeds that are invasive species on Salt Spring Island, the Gulf Islands, that most gardeners absolutely hate. That one right there is called Scotch Broom. It was introduced in the mid-1800s to our coast. It's all up and down the coast. I think it was introduced into Souk around 1852. It's native to Scotland. And each one of those flowers produces seed pods, they look like peas, and each seed is usually viable. So one plant can produce thousands and thousands of viable seed that stay dormant for a long time in the soil. So that's Scotch Broom, grows in poor soil, drought tolerant, full sun. Another one from Scotland is Ulix europaeus. That's Cytisus. This one here smells like coconut. It's very spiny, and the Scotch Broom isn't spiny. And this one here, you can actually make tea out of it. It's useful because I actually use the flowers for tea. All right, and it's another one that's absolutely hated as well, and they are flammable. The only thing I don't like is when people cut those things down, they just leave dead piles of them on the side of the road. If you're going to cut them down, take them away. Okay, and then I'm going to show you another one here that spreads like crazy, and it's called Daphne Loriola. And these things are a broadleaf evergreen, and they're native to most of Europe, Algeria, Morocco, and into the Azores, and toxic, a very toxic plant. I don't know if you can use any part of the plant, but it is a broadleaf evergreen. I think it looks kind of tropical. Grows well with yuccas, palms, other broadleaf trees. That's self-seeded too. This self-seeded, that's laurel. And there's palms in here. And the berries on them, most of them are viable. They sprout up everywhere. And what we're going to do right now, and actually, by the way, they're a woodland plant. They'll grow in poor soil, shade. They don't really like full sun. They probably bleach out a little bit. So most of the time you see them growing with neglect in shady spots. And we're going to show you another one here that's been in the ground for 25 years. I try to control it. I don't mind them. You know what I mean? I like all plants. I love all exotic plants. And I know they say, well, it's an invasive species, you should rip it out. Well, in my eyes, the most invasive species on the face of the earth is actually man. They're the most destructive invasive species. They're the ones that are screwing up the planet, not plants. So here's another one. This one's been in the ground 25 years. I'm going to have to take off some of those those berries. They turn into blackberries. They're poisonous, so watch it. Watch how you handle them. But this one's growing with palm trees, and they're actually quite an attractive plant. But like I say, beware. They are invasive. You could control them, take the berries off of them, and they won't spread because there's seeds in the berries. So I'm going to show you. I found a seedling popped up right here. There's a seedling right there from the mother plants, and it's right in our path. It's right in the path here. Yeah, I just discovered it this morning. It's funny, I've been walking past this thing. It must have just popped up. So I'm going to dig it out, and I'm going to put it in a pot, and well, we'll see how it survives. I don't think they like transplanting too much, but well, let's just see what we got here. I think I got the roots with that one. There we go. Let's put her in there. There we go. There's the new home for the Daphne. Spurge Laurel, that's what it's called. Spurge Laurel, okay? And we'll keep an eye on that one. If somebody comes to visit my garden from back east, maybe they want one because it'd probably be a marginal plant back there. I think, like I say, they're hardy to Zone 6 USDA. All right, there it is, a Spurge Laurel potted up, and that's obviously a self-seeded one from the mother plant. All right, so keep your eye on invasive species. If you don't like them, rip them out. Me, like I say, I try to keep them under control. There's another one there. And like I say, I like these because they are evergreen. They're a beautiful broadleaf evergreen, super glossy leaves. They grow well with rhodos and palm trees. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and check out more videos on this channel. Cheers.